I'm now going to create the thank you page for the product that's been purchased. In this funnel, you're going to need two thank you pages. One thank you page for the people who opt in, the squeeze page for the free gift, and you need a thank you page for people who purchase the product. I'm not going to show you the process of creating a thank you page for the free gift because it's pretty much the same thing. Not the same thing, but it's similar. You just go to opt-in and you just click on thank you, and you could choose any of these templates here. So for example, let me just show you a template I would choose for a thank you page for the free gift. And I see that there's a lot more templates here for the free gift option. Let's just take a look here, preview this one. Congratulations, you're on your way to success. What's next? Check your email for the video link. Okay, so this looks like a nice thank you page. Let's just close that. Let's take a look at one more before I move on and work on the thank you page for purchased product. Okay, so this is a nice looking one here. Okay, so let's close this and let's get started working on the thank you page for the purchased product. And I'm just going to scroll through here, and this is actually one of my favorite templates right here, the arrow thank you page. And I'm just going to select preview so you can take a look here. And what I like is that there are steps, and then underneath each step there is aside from a call to action, there is a link that you could put in there, and also a button if you want to do that as well. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to click on select template. Okay, and now that it's in my funnel, I'm going to go ahead and edit the content on this template. So I'll see you in the next video for that.